Hello friends, welcome back again here. We are doing unit 3. We have already completed the description of that and now it is turn for the exercise. So in this video we are going to have the question answer of the unit 3. I hope you all have completed glossary in your notebook. So let's start the question answer of unit 3. Name the little girl. स्टूडेंट्स, ये स्टोरी है एक गर्ल केजिया के बारे में। उसके राइटर कैथरीन मॉरिसफील्ड ने बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से समझाया है आपकी उम्र के बच्चों और उनके पेरेंट्स के बीच में किस तरह से रिलेशन होते हैं, क्या होता है, वो सब केजिया का एक बहुत ही अच्छा सा एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे दे के ऑथर ने समझाने की कोशिश की है। तो मैं आपको ये भी बताऊं कि कैसे सिनेरियो चेंज हो जाता है। कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट्स आपके भी लाइफ में होगा जब आप आपके पेरेंट्स को उनके नेचर के हिसाब से कुछ अलग सोच रहे होंगे और वो कुछ अलग ही हैं, तो उससे कोई हमें समझने की वो है। अभी आपका एज ऐसा हो गया है, आप आपके पेरेंट्स को समझने की कोशिश करिएगा। वो अगर कोई भी बात के लिए अगर बोलते हैं, इफ़ दे आर डूइंग समथिंग फॉर यू, दे आर रिस्ट्रिक्टिंग फ्रॉम समथिंग टू यू, देन you should, now it's your age, you should think that why they are doing, why mother is doing like this or why father is doing like this. हाँ, हमें जो दिखता है उस तरह से हम मान नहीं लेंगे कि दे आर लाइक दिस, उनको केजिया को उसके फादर जायंट की तरह दिख रहे थे, लेकिन आफ्टर ऑल उसको पता चला कि ही इज़ हैविंग अ वेरी वाइड, वेरी बिग हार्ट एंड इट इज़ विथ लव। तो इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर करते हैं हम। चलिए, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई वॉज केजिया अफ्रेड ऑफ हर फादर। उसका ब्यूटीफुल आंसर हो सकता है, केजिया's father was little bit strict to Kezia when he was going to office every morning. That time he was okay, but while he was returning at the evening, then he was little bit hard to his each and every family members. His look was also like a giant. He was having his organs in big manners. One another thing that Kezia, since her childhood, he was thinking that that his father is very angry type of person, and he is every time he is not smiling to him, or like neighbors. That McDonald, he is not playing with him, or he is not spending the time with her like that. So Kezia was afraid to her father. Okay, second question, who were the people in Kezia's family? Kezia was having very sweet family. She was having, देखिए ही और सी का मिस्टेक भी होगा, हाँ, वो आप ज़्यादातर आप बच्चे मिस्टेक करते हो, वो ना हो वो आपको देखना है। सी वॉज हैविंग वन ग्रैंड मदर, सी वॉज हैविंग फादर, मदर एंड वन अनदर पर्सन, कुक एलिस वॉज स्टेइंग विद देम एट देयर होम, विथ हर एट देयर होम। हम इस तरह से इसका आंसर लिख सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन 3, व्हाट वॉज केजिया's फादर्स रूटीन। उसके फादर का रूटीन क्या था। 3 अलग अलग सिचुएशन दिया गया है, उसका आंसर हमें लिखना है। बिफोर गोइंग टू हिज ऑफिस, एवरी मॉर्निंग वाइल केजिया's फादर्स वॉज गोइंग टू ऑफिस, he used to come to her Kezia's room and just kiss her, just kissed her, kissed her, and then he used to drive his car on the long road in the morning. ठीक है, उसका ये रूटीन। और उसके बाद after coming back from the office, okay, while at the evening time, while he is coming from the office, while he entered to the house, just he is coming and with a loud noise he is offering to everyone to that, bring my tea into the drawing room. Hasn't the pepper come yet? Mother, go to and see if my paper's out there and bring me my sleepers. He is like this. He is ordering to them. He is guiding to everyone of the family, to his father's mother, it means grandmother also, to Kezia's mother also, and to Kezia also. So this is the routine of Kezia's father after coming back from the office. Okay, third situation is there on Sunday. Okay, on Sunday, usually Kezia's father is having off from the office, so he used to stay at home only. On the afternoon of the Sunday, he used to laying on the sofa with the handkerchief on his face, okay, and his feet on one of the best cushion, sleeping soundly and snoring. Okay, so this is the routine. ये उनका संडे का रूटीन है. ये तीनों अलग अलग सिचुएशन का रूटीन है. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, in what ways did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know fathers better? Okay, Kezia's father, Kezia's grandmother was helping in every situation, was helping her. She was her best friend. So one day she has encouraged her, and she has sent on Sunday afternoon. Grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother, and secondly, she has suggested that Kezia's father is having a birthday within short while. So for him, make a nice gift. So you should know your father very well. Like this, Kezia's grandmother was encouraging her to get to know father better. Okay, on the same page, page number 38, we are having third exercise. Discuss these questions in a class with your teacher, then write down your answer in 2 or 3 paragraphs each. Okay, ये हमें ब्रीफली लिखना है, इसको एलिब्रेट करके, डिस्क्राइब करके, उसको स्ट्रेच करके हमें लिखना है. ठीक है, तो चलिए देखते हैं. Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? Okay, हमें ये एलिब्रेट करके लिखना है, स्ट्रेच करके लिखना है, तो हमें इसको पहले से ही लिखना पड़ेगा. तो इसका आंसर हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं. A little girl Kezia was already afraid from his father, by his look also, and by his loud voice also, and he was and she was afraid because she was her father was not able to spend time like neighbor's McDonald, Mr. McDonald. So once her grandmother has encouraged her to get know very well to her father, and she has suggested that within short while or next month her grandfather is having birthday. On that day, Kezia should give a nice gift to his father, her father, and know her very well. So she was trying. So Kezia was trying to make a pillow for her father for a birthday gift. She has taken a very good cloth and sewed by 3 sides, and one side let it open to pour something in it. So when she went to the mother's room, then she has shown that some papers were there on the table beside the bed, mother's bed. So she has taken those paper and teared them in small pieces and pour into the pillow and shoot that fourth side also. But when while father is coming from the returning from the office, he was searching some important, very important documents, and unfortunately those documents were the same which Kezia has stored and poured into the pillow and made a birthday gift for the father. So grandmother's idea was there, and father felt very angry on that time, and he has punished Kezia by putting or hitting a ruler on his pink palm. So, like this, grandmother's suggestion was there to pleasant her father, but unfortunately, by a little mistake of Kezia, it was turned into the resulted into the displeasing. So we can say that, okay, like this it has happened. तो इसका आंसर इस तरह से स्ट्रेच करके इल्यूट्रेट करके बड़ा सा हम लिख सकते हैं. उसको दो पैराग्राफ में भी आप डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. अगर नहीं करेंगे दो पैराग्राफ में चलेगा, लेकिन उसको इतना स्ट्रेच करना होता है. ठीक है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन. Kezia decided that there are different kinds of fathers. What kind of father was Mr. MacDonald, and how was he different from Kezia's fathers? Okay. Once at the evening time, Kezia was there, and she was looking between the gap of the fencing, fence, and found that Mr. MacDonald, who was having five children, and at the evening time who was playing in the garden of the house. His younger kid was a girl, and she was seated on the shoulder of the father, and two girls were roaming around with the nice game. They were playing tag game also. He was having two elder boys also, and they all were playing, and the boys, they have put the water from the water pipe, but Mr. McDonald was happy. They were cheering and they were playing to each other. They were passing a nice time. But unfortunately, Kezia was having a father and he was not having a time for her, and he was not even smiling to her, and always was having loud sound and looking like giant. So Kezia has decided that there were different type of fathers, and Mr. McDonald is a very good father, very friendly father, but the Kezia was not having like that father. Kezia was having very angry type of father. So for that, Kezia has decided that in there are different kind of fathers, and Kezia's fathers and Mr. McDonald's is opposite to each other. Like that, स्ट्रेच करके इल्यूट्रेट करके हम इसका आंसर लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन. हाउ डज केजिया बिगिन टू सी हर फादर एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग who needs sympathy? Very good questions. Once it has happened that Kezia's mother was having illness, and she has shifted to the hospital, and grandmother has to go with her. So they both were there in the hospital, and father has to pay their attention there also. So for the daytime it was okay, but at the night, Kezia was having for the daytime cook Alice was there with the Kezia, but on the night time she has to be alone or sleep alone at her room. So she was very afraid, because butcher is there, and a nightmare is always there for the Kezia. So that day she has requested to Alice also, but Alice has asked her to sleep, and she was afraid with the darkness also. And after some time, she when she was sleeping, a nightmare has that old nightmare has come, and the butcher was there in that nightmare with the big knife in the hand, and she was afraid, and she was crying and asking for the grandma, granny. She was asking that, and she wake up with the fear. So when she has waked up with the fear, she has seen that she was having her father beside her, and suddenly she has taken her, okay, and taken to the his room, okay, and he was having a warm hug to the Kezia. From that moment, Kezia was feeling that, and feeling that her father is a very nice guy, and he who needs always the sympathy, and he was having really a big heart, a very kind heart in it. So like this, Kezia was having different think about her father. सो इस तरह से हम इसके आंसर्स जो हैं वो लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे ये पूरा हो रहा है। इसकी कोई एक्सरसाइज है वो ग्रामर की है, वो हम ग्रामर पोर्शन में फिर से एक बार जब करेंगे रिवीजन में तब करेंगे। नेक्स्ट वीडियो जब तक आता है तब तक इसके जो क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं और ग्लोसरी है वो आप नोटबुक में लिख लीजिएगा, ठीक है। देखा फ्रेंड्स आपने कितनी अच्छी तरह से हमने यूनिट 3 का डिस्क्रिप्शन द लिटिल गर्ल केजिया के बारे में समझा था, और इस वीडियो में उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर भी किए, ठीक है। आपको नोटबुक में लिख लेना है। नए वीडियो में नए यूनिट के साथ मिलेंगे, तब तक थैंक यू।